Now that you have your 3 paragraphs written, I want you to go back and remember there's no topic or clincher sentences. Don't use I, my, we, us, or you. So go back and check. Remember, no, I, my, we, us, or you. Make sure not to use those words. No topic or clincher sentences in this style of writing. Go back and look at your first paragraph and see if you have your setting and your characters. You could say the book of Ruth was set in, where was it set? Moab and Judah. The problem, here's our conflict. The problem is a famine has struck the land. And that has left Ruth and Naomi destitute and starved. So we've introduced our problem and the climax. The climax occurs when Boaz states that Naomi's actual nearest relative is another man and not him. So make sure you have your characters in your setting, your problem, and the climax. Now, because we're writing inside out, remember we start with our body of our paper, then we go to our conclusion. This is the most important. You want to make sure that your conclusion states what you want your reader to take away. If they only take away a couple of things, what do you want to restate? So first off, you're going to start with your opinion. You could say that it's encouraging and uplifting. You would want to say why. Why is it? What's the message or the moral? Perhaps to you, you see how Boaz rescues and takes care of Ruth as God rescues and takes care of us. Then finish up with your intro. Pick your attention getter. You could start with something that has to do with death, destruction, famine, and then give any background information that you think the reader might need prior to reading your paper. Perhaps you could give them information about Naomi's circumstances, that her circumstances were bitter, but she was not. Perhaps telling your readers that God is always in control. Whatever background information, include that in your introduction. Once you finish that keyword outline, which is on page 221, then you will write your intro and your conclusion.